fell face down on a sports ground. He was just somebody's luckless son. Oh, but now look what he's done. Oh, look what he's done. Your gentle hands are frozen and your unkissed lips are blue. Your fitting clothes are hopeless and no one was mad about you. Michael's bones were very young, but they were never to know. Impetuous fun. Mr. Policeman, I don't know where you get such notions from. His gentle hands are frozen and his unkissed lips are blue, but his eyes still cry. And now you've turned the last bend and see, are we all just the same at the end? Tell me, tell me. Lucky thing, you are too brave and I'm ashamed of myself as usual.
The last thing I ever
as you think of how they sleep, but you write as if you all lie side by side. Reader, meet author, with a hope of hearing sense, but you may be feeling let down by the words of defense. He says no one ever sees me when I cry. You don't know a thing about their lives. Books don't save them, books aren't Stanley Knives.